Welcome guys and ladies, this is my CNC spontaneity build. I've called it that because I've been meaning to build a CNC machine for so long. I wanted to be able to machine a lot of wooden forms for laying up composite parts, and maybe if it's strong enough be able to machine some soft metals like aluminum. Now as you can see, I'm using a CAD program, Katos here, so I've pretty much modeled these extrusions, and this is me assembling it all together to see what have I bought, will it go together, will I be able to make something, because I will show you a picture what I did about 2 AM in the morning when I decided to order all these pieces. Now I didn't even know I did this, to be honest. I'm not sure if I was drinking any alcohol at this time in the morning, but it may have instigated the problem. Basically I sketched that out, trying to figure out in my mind what I would need to build this machine, and I did nothing else. My idea was to create a whole CAD assembly of what I wanted and how the machine should be, and then procure the parts to do that. I did it backwards, so this is a spontaneous CNC build. So yeah, I may have problems, may have things missing. So all I did here, if you look at the end of the video, I put how I constructed these extrusions. They're all very similar, so you do a 2D sketch for one, and they're all very similar because extrusions are quite easy like that. And then this is me just assembling all the ones I bought, so I can try and figure out what I ordered. Can I build anything like what I want? And obviously I'm going to be missing a lot of hardware, and I'm going to make other brackets for reinforcement and for joining these things together. But yeah, so because as you can see in my Katos assembly, I've got all the bits for some kind of structure, and it's gone together quite well, but I'm starting to model like the wheels now, and putting the bolts in there, and the stepper motors, the NEMA 23 is what I bought, and I'm going to try and figure out how this will all go together with the correct offsets, where it's going to be strong enough. The great thing with using Katos like this is I can do things like the whole gantry. I can put the weights in for the aluminium and put the weights in for the devices that are going to be on there, like the motor and the stepper motors, and I can create basically a weights analysis, and it'll give me a perfect center of gravity, so I can see if what I'm going to put together is it going to be really offset center of gravity, and if so, maybe I can move things around in the Katos model. Also, there is a lot of structural analysis tools in this that I could have a play with, and just to have a look, try and figure out what kind of loads there would be on a router pushing through, say, some aluminium, and then try and do some enhanced models just to see how would it affect twist. And already I've got a double gantry because I think that's really important if you're trying to cut metal. Now this is the start, basically, when I started modeling the extrusion. So if you're interested in that, you keep watching. But yeah, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I'm going to post loads of videos of me modeling this, and the next 2 or 3 days I should be receiving a bundle of parts. So I'm going to start doing videos on putting all that together. I really want to do some good analysis, so I'll do some Katos analysis and then see how it compares to when we put it together, what it looks like. And I've actually got some strain gauges, so I'm thinking of putting them on the gantry, and then when it operates, we'll see if we can see the results back from them, and then how we can make changes to improve the stiffness where required, or maybe it's too heavy, so reduce the weight if that affects it. So yeah, I'll put some cards on this video so you can click them at the start or the end, and I'm going to do some playlists. So click those playlists in the cards, and there's going to be a spontaneous CNC build, which I'm sure is going to be many videos. And there's also a Katos Shed playlist I have. If you click that, that's all the kind of stuff for in the workshop that I'm doing. So hope you enjoyed this little intro. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.